2, everyone can you read?
Suppose a fair coin is tossed and a fair die is rolled. Compute the probability of event.
E. Tossing a tail and rolling an odd number. Okay, ilan yung experiment natin? Dalawa. Ano yung first? Tossing a coin. And second is? Rolling a die. So use 3 diagram pa rin. Okay, so sa first experiment, tossing a coin, what are the possible outcomes? Head and tail. So now, when you roll a die, what are the possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ilang beses isusulat? 2 beses, kasi 2 na po ito. So this will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 para sa head, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 para sa tail. Then, iyan yung experiment natin. Combine yan kasi po, 2 yung ating experiment sa isang trial. Then after natin makagawa ng 3 diagram, i-combine na natin para makuha yung outcome. So first we have head 1, ano ba po? Head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, head 6. This is the answer. Then after that, dito naman po, tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5, tail 6. Then after natin makuha yan, meron na tayong anak n of s. Paano naging 12? Bibilangin mo lang po ito lahat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is the total number of sample space, or what we call n of s. Then after getting n of s, our next step is to find the n of e, which is the number of favorable outcomes. Ano po sabi dito? Compute the probability of event E, tossing a tail and rolling an odd number. So meaning, tail, comma, odd number. Ano po ba yung odd number? 1, 3, and 5. So do you think included ba itong nasa taas? No, kasi head to. Meaning, dito na lang tayong mamimili. Then after that, identify mo. Tail dapat yung una. Then yung pangalawa, i-add number. Ano po ba yung add number? So meaning, ito lang yung tatlo na pasok. T1, T3, at T5. So, ilan po yan? Tatlo. Therefore, n of E is 3. Then after that, makukuha na po ba natin yung probability? Yes, just combine n of E over n of S. What is n of E? 3 over n of S. So, what is the simplest form of 3 over 12? Okay, very good. 1/4 or 0 point or 25%. So, that is the answer.